Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by trying a soft restart to recover the frozen lock screen. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del and wait 10 seconds for a possible screen refresh. If the screen remains frozen, hold the power button for 10 seconds to force shutdown. Before restarting, unplug all external devices and wait 30 seconds to clear possible peripheral conflicts. After 30 seconds, press the power button briefly to restart. Watch for any error messages or abnormal fan noise during boot. If a soft restart fails, perform a hard reset to clear hardware hang states. First, remove external power and hold the power button for 15 seconds to drain residual charge. If your laptop allows, remove the main battery and disconnect the internal battery cable for 5 minutes to reset the power controller. Reconnect the battery and AC adapter, then press the power button to boot normally. This often resolves firmware and power rail lockups without data loss. If the laptop still hangs at the lock screen, use advanced boot options for repair. Force restart and press F8 or choose Shift plus Restart to enter safe mode and run system file checks. If safe mode is unavailable, boot from a USB recovery drive and run startup repair or system restore to revert recent changes. Check BIOS settings and update firmware if needed. Backup important files before reinstalling the operating system.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.